Owning a laptop may require a few more extra gadgets and accessories in order to boost our productivity while working. If you are a laptop user and looking for additional accessories to enhance your productivity, then check out our picks for the top 7 useful laptop accessories. With 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, the UGreen Gan Charger is here to bring you an all-in-one charging solution. This 100-watt powerful charger can charge 4 devices at the same time at a super fast speed. In just 1.9 hours, it can fully charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro. It is also compatible with tablets, laptops, and many more devices with USB Type-C and A ports. Most mice require mouse pads or smooth surfaces in order to function properly. But with the Logitech MX Anywhere 3, it will work just fine regardless of what surface it is on. With a 4000 DPI sensor, users can easily drag files from one place to another with a smooth and accurate response. Lastly, the low-profile design fits very comfortably on the palm, so you will never get tired while working for a long time. Moving on to the next one, we have ViewSonic's portable monitor. This touchscreen monitor comes in 1080p resolution along with a 60Hz refresh rate. Using this monitor is super easy. Just connect the USB-C port directly from your laptop to the monitor, and it will start screen mirroring automatically. Surprisingly, the touch on this monitor syncs with the screen as well. So when the monitor is connected to a device, users can control both screens simultaneously with a single touch. Does your neck hurt by staring down at the laptop while working for hours and hours? Then check out the OMOTON Ergonomic stand. This perfectly flexible and adjustable stand can be rotated around 360 angles. The soft, rubbery grips on the stand protect the laptop from sudden falling and sliding. It also comes with a heat dissipation design which ensures proper airflow. Lastly, the stand is foldable and very lightweight. So just put it inside your backpack and carry it anywhere you want. Do you often carry too many accessories on your backpack as well as the laptop itself? Then you might need to check out this laptop sleeve. This protective sleeve will keep all of your laptop accessories organized inside your backpack, including the laptop too. So from now on, you don't have to waste time finding the right item inside your back while having more time to be productive. Looking for a compact SSD with completely safe and secured privacy? Then check out the Samsung T7 SSD, which comes with a fingerprint sensor. This touchscreen sensor on top of the SSD is capable of registering up to 4 fingerprints, so there's no need to worry about the safety of your files. T7 Touch is also very compact and has up to 2 meters of drop resistance. And this SSD is compatible with a wide range of devices such as PC, Mac, Android, and more. So when it comes to using additional storage for your needs, T7 Touch is more user-friendly and brings versatility to your work. Laptops these days are getting slimmer and more lightweight by cutting off useful connectivity options. But with the Gigastone USB-C hub, that won't be an issue. This compact USB-C hub has a silverish gradient to it where ports are placed all over for greater ease of use. It connects to your laptop through a USB-C port and can power it up via the 100 watts PD pass-through. Other than that, it is a handful of ports, including 2 USB 3.0, an HDMI port, SD and micro SD card slots, and an additional USB-C port for plugging compatible devices. The included HDMI port lets you mirror or extend your USB-C laptop's content to an external monitor at up to 4K resolution. Moreover, the hub itself weighs only about 48 grams that can effortlessly be carried with you wherever you go. For an all-in-one USB and display solution, the Gigastone USB-C hub can be an ideal go-to hub for your laptop. So that was all about the 7 useful laptop accessories that everyone should have. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.